Welcome back to our 30-day Power BI series. I'm Umi Asma, and today on day 26, we are gonna explore one of the most important topic, that is your calculated column vs measure. Okay, and here this is your interview question as well. They may ask you in the interview what's the difference between a calculated column and a measure. So after watching this video, you can confidently give this answer to the interviewer. Okay, let's start. This is our Power BI. On the right hand side, I have my data set. Okay, in the previous video we have seen how to use sum and sum x in a DAX function. Okay, so we have calculated the total sales, and we have double the profit here in the previous video. Okay, so in today's class we are gonna understand about calculated columns and measure. A calculated column is a column you add it to a table. So this is go to your table view. Here you are gonna add a table to your data model, each row. So like for example, this discount and unit price, I want to add it. Okay, so this each row in the column is calculated. Okay, individually it's going to calculate individually based on the rows data and the formula we use it in the formula bar. Calculate the product margin. Okay, so here we have a row product base margin and the quantity ordered new. Okay, so with this two I'm creating one new column here. Okay, so what you have to do here is you have to right click on the data set. Here you get a new column. Okay, and on the top you get this bar. What I'm doing here is I'm calculating the product margin. Okay, product margin equals here sum of orders product margin. Okay, then multiplied by quantity ordered new. Okay, quantity ordered new, then okay, so we got a product margin here. So what did I do here? Product margin is equal to sum. I have two columns here. Okay, so that is your product base margin. So see here, we have a yes, so here we have a product base margin, and I multiplied this with the quantity ordered new. Okay, so after multiplying that I got a new column, that is your product margin. Okay, yes, so this is how you add a new column to your table. So this may take a space for you in the table, but when you use a measure here, so that will not take a space in the table. Calculated columns work row by row, while measures work on aggregated data. Okay, so for the calculations we use it. And here calculated columns are stored in your data model, so that will increase your file size, whereas measures are calculated on the fly and they don't add to the file size. Okay, so this measures. All right. um yeah, so you can use calculated columns when you need a value for every row in your table, or need to use the result in a relationship or as a filter. So you can use a measure when you need a flexible or dynamic calculation that responds to filters and the visuals. We use it from the build visual sections. And there you have it. So calculated columns via measures is simplified. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you have ever struggled with this concept or have questions about when to use calculated columns or measures. So, tomorrow on day 7 of our Power BI series, we will dive into another exciting topic. So, stay tuned and see you then. Bye bye.